Hi, I'm Sunir, CEO of AppBind. We're making it really easy for SaaS companies to support their reseller channel. Let me tell you a story about Sarah. Sarah is a new VP Business Development at fast-growing SaaS company, Sassy. Sassy's been growing in the strength of its direct marketing and sales for years. Now, there's been a lot of strong interest from potential partners. Sarah's been hired to figure out this new channel. Now, it's always great to hear from a channel partner, "I love your product. I want to sell it to my customers." But how do you do that? How does a partner buy a subscription and sell it to their customers? It's really not that easy, but Sarah does need to figure it out. Now, a customer could sign up for Sassy the normal way by putting in their email address and password and paying by their own credit card. But how would a partner do that? What email address do they use? Do they use their own email address? How do they share their email address with the customer? How do they share the password with the customer? Who pays for the subscription? Does the partner use their own credit card? Do they really want the liability of that expense on their books? Do they want to handle the overhead of monthly bookkeeping to expense that to the customer? And of course, the customer wants control of the account. It's their data. How do they get control of Sassy now that partners use their own email address and credit card? It's really quite complicated. Now, what does Sarah do about this? Does she have to go to engineering and ask them to build an expensive reseller portal to handle the account management, consolidated billing, and internal reporting? It's a lot of risk for a program she's barely developed. The answer is no. AppBind can help you with this. In fact, you can skip the reseller portal entirely. How does it work? Well, the partner can sign up for Sassy the normal way, but using AppBind. AppBind will create a virtual email address and password that can be shared with the customer, and a virtual credit card to pay for the subscription that charges the customer automatically instead of the partner. This gets the partner out of the billing where they do not want to get stuck. Then the partner can manage the subscription to Sassy and all the other technology in their project in one place in AppBind, and AppBind will automatically handle all the costly bookkeeping of invoicing and expensing for the subscriptions and give the opportunity to the partner to add a markup for their time and expertise. Customers also want to own their subscriptions, and AppBind makes it really easy to transfer control. The partner simply transfers the virtual email address, password, and credit card directly into the hands of the customer. None of this requires any engineering, and in fact works already with Sassy's existing sign-up flow. This makes the rest of Sassy much happier. Customer support, finance, and product management use their existing billing, account management, and reporting, and this makes them much more likely to be aligned with Sarah's initiatives in the future. Now that Sarah has been successful with her direct reseller partners, she's turning her eye to bigger opportunities in the market. There are plenty of companies that offer big distribution, but they come with big problems. Integrating provisioning and billing is complex. In fact, it's a lot of engineering risk to build into each single distribution opportunity. I mean, often these distribution partners don't even deliver results for a long period of time. Is that a risk that Sarah can afford to take? AppBind can make this really easy. It can be one place that Sassy can integrate with, and we can take you into the rest of these distribution opportunities. And in fact, we're much simpler to work with. All that Sassy has to do is implement a standard like OpenID Connect or SAML for provisioning. Along with the provisioning call, we'll include a virtual credit card number that you can plug right into your billing system. No billing integration required. Fundamentally, AppBind is about letting Sarah iterate faster and test her way into channels by taking the risk out of engineering. This way, Sarah can focus on what really works in the channel, building relationships with more partners and supporting them selling to customers. This is how you win the channel. If you want to win the channel by iterating faster and taking less engineering risk, let's talk. I'm Sunir at appbind.com.